Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making our beer marinated grilled flank steak for fajitas. If you're in the mood for some delicious homemade fajitas tonight, you're going to want to make this steak fajita marinade. It comes together in only 10 minutes and are way better than the ones at your favorite Mexican restaurant. Just a couple hours later, grill up this amazingly tender, juicy, and super flavorful steak for a fajita night that'll make everyone happy. Here's a quick look at the ingredients, and I've also listed them in the entire recipe in the description box below. First, we're going to make a rub for the steak. Combine 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon and a half of ground cumin, and a teaspoon of oregano. I've almost got enough. Now mix this all together. I'm using about a 2-pound flank steak. You could also use skirt steak here, and today I'm going to test out cutting a crosshatch pattern into the meat. I'm cutting about 1/4 inch deep in the crosshatch on both sides. Have you tried this before? It's supposed to help keep the meat from shrinking and curling up on the grill and tenderize the beef. Let us know if you prepare your fajitas this way. And if this is your first time at our channel, you'll find easy, no-fail recipes to share with everyone you love. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Next, evenly sprinkle the rub on both sides and massage it into the steak. The secret to getting meat that's flavorful and juicy is marinating it for at least 2 hours. Not only does it tenderize the beef, but it also infuses all of these delicious flavors in the marinade into the meat. Place the steak into a resealable plastic bag. Slice up a half of an onion and add it into the bag. Mix a 1/4 cup of avocado or olive oil, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, about 3 or 4 cloves, and about 8 ounces of beer. Pour over the steak and onions, seal up the bag, and squish the ingredients all around so everything is covered. Then refrigerate this for at least 2 hours or overnight. When you're ready to cook, remove the bag from the fridge about 30 minutes before you're ready to grill. Then cook over high heat or hot coals for 5 to 7 minutes. Then flip. I'm using a meat thermometer in the thickest part of the beef and cooking to a temperature of about 140 degrees for a flank steak that will be medium rare at the thickest part and medium well along the thinner edges. Cover the steak lightly with aluminum foil and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes so the juices can redistribute. Then slice the steak against the grain. I like to cut ours in really thin slices. You can see the nice rosy color of our medium rare steak. Cut these as thick or thin as you like. I think the thin cut helps keep the fajita meat super tender. And after trying the crosshatch on this steak, I think they're actually easier to slice without the crosshatch, so I might not be using that technique often. Serve along with the fajita veggies and your favorite fixings, guacamole, salsa, cheese, and corn or flour tortillas. I hope you love this recipe as much as we do. And if you love easy Mexican recipes, check out one of our other favorite fajita recipes that's served with a creamy poblano sauce. Let us know which one you like best. And if you have a favorite Mexican recipe that you'd like to share, make sure you tell us in the comments below. We love trying out new recipes. Alright, I have enjoyed our time together, and I will see you in the next video.